Another beautiful Malaysian morning.
How many times already I told you how to do it, and you still get it wrong? What's wrong with you, huh? What? You don't understand, huh? I speak English also, you don't understand. What languages you want to speak, huh? Tagalog, huh? African, Mongolian, huh? No! It's okay. Don't worry about it. Everyone make mistakes, right? Yeah. No, really. Small matter only. 100% okay. You're welcome. Yeah, bye-bye.
Why are you so naughty, huh? I never told you to be so impolite to people, did I? Never, right? You're grounded now, you understand? Grounded! Now I want you to go up to your room and then later Mommy will make you your favorite blueberry waffle. Okay? Suka tak? Suka tak? Sayang anak Mommy.
As you can tell, our homes are designed to be your sanctuary that calms you the moment you enter your home. Pioneering the concept of spatial planning, we create a space for everyone to share and interact with each other comfortably. And we offer everyone a little space of their own. A happy family is a happy home because love is homemade. So remember, we never design anything just because everyone else is doing it. We design homes with you in mind.
Tell him to please make sure that he speaks up the documents.
Or I will make sure that he is fired. And he is late one more time, I will
Probably go there direct with him and talk to him. I don't know. Maybe he's good.
But his problem is not my problem. Understand?